Merry Trousers, and welcome back to Unstable TV! So, if this is your first time on the channel, do not forget to
like, subscribe, comment, share, hit that bell, and if you're a returning viewer, thank you!
So, Danielle, what is going on Unstable TV today?
So today, in the spirit of Christmas festivities, we are going to Dublin Zoo Wild Lights.
OMG, this is gonna be wild.
Ooh! So yeah, they do this every year for Christmas. Every year. I think this is like the third year they've done it, but every
Allegedly.
year. And this year's theme is...
What is it?
What is it?
I actually don't know. What was it? On this year's theme, with no help from Danielle, she didn't whisper it to me, it was all around the world. Whoa, we were supposed to do an intro in the park, but you know, there was loads of Christmas music and wild stuff going on. Surprise, surprise. So Danielle put together an amazing compilation of shots and footage for you all. Enjoy!
So we were very clever, thinking there's going to be no Christmas music there. And we got outside, all we heard was jingle bells.
So we're going to chop over and show you what we did get in the end after all the jingle-licious stuff happened.
Exactly. Let's go and get
Jingle.
Wild Lights.
So thanks again for joining us and making it this far with us. I hope you enjoyed our compilation of shots and things in the Wild Lights. We had an amazing time. It was great scenery as usual. So Danielle, what was going on?
So we basically took a trip around the world. There was Morocco, Australia, Europe, France, because, you know, apparently Europe and France are different things.
Yeah, allegedly so.
Asia, you know, seeing all the koala bears one time.
Asia.
Yes, Asian koala bears apparently.
Yeah, Asian koala bears. So I was just saying, from the shots, we were all over the place. So basically it was like a mini holiday for us, and we brought all you guys along with us. Thanks for joining us. So as always, you have been the beautiful people of YouTube, and we have been Unstable TV. A big Merry Xmas to you all.
So drop a comment below and let us know what your favourite part of this Wild Lights was. And have you ever been to something like this before too?
Do let us know down below. And as always, we will see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.